Hey guys, just watching duct tape stuff, watching his video on how to use Velcro in projects. And I found some easier ways to do it. Number one, on the subject of the fasteners, you can just use super glue and just put a little bit on the back of the fastener. We'll just say this is a fastener. Just put a little bit on the back after you peel off the cover that's covering up the sticky part. Just put a little bit of super glue and be sure you get it to where you want it, and yeah, that's it. It'll be permanent, but it'll stay, so if you're not planning on taking it off anyway, then there's really nothing to lose. Okay, so on Velcro, how to put it on, I've got a little strip here. Sorry for the background. I don't have a tripod, so I'm trying and get a decent background here. If I don't flip my keyboard off the desk. There we go. So we've got the Velcro and the strip of duct tape. So actually what I'm gonna do is, you know what, I'm gonna elevate this camera. Sorry, there's a lot of messing around in this video. So, got the duct tape and some fasteners. So you're just gonna take off one. I got one. And put it where you want on the duct tape. No, I just did that out of the view. But anyway, put it where you want, just like that, and stick it down so it's on there. Now what he said to do is fold it over and eyeball where you want the other one. Well, an easier way to get it good is to just, not the sticky side, just stick that on there nice and square and stick it down. Okay, now you've got the other side on there. Now all you do is fold it over and stick it down where you want it. I'm just assuming this is a wallet or something. I don't have a wallet that I want to use Velcro on, so. And there you go. Then you just be sure that it's all stuck down there. And now it's good. It'll be even. So yeah, that's just an easier way to use Velcro, an easier way that I've found to use Velcro. So there you go. That's how to use Velcro. And I hope this was helpful. I know for me it's easier than using duct tape stuff, using his method. So there it is. See you in the next video.